Hi, and welcome back to BrainstemSchool.com. And today I'd like to first make a shout out to Jeannie, one of our contributors over at Patreon. And if you want to see what we're doing there and join the team, that is patreon.com/brainstemschool. P-A-T-R-E-O. Well, if you don't know how to spell Patreon, should be pretty easy to look up. Anyway, patreon.com/brainstemschool. And you can check out what we're doing over there and join the team. So today we're going to talk about object-oriented programming. Good news, bad news. Good news is you already know it. Bad news is you didn't know that you knew it. So hopefully we'll teach you what you can put to work. So you have to understand what an object is first to understand object-oriented programming. And an object is a self-contained data structure that has values and actions. Okay, values and actions. And we kind of looked at this in the last episode. But every data item in Python is pretty much an object, okay? So like a string, for instance, the string itself is an object. It has the data items, which are the letters in the words, the characters rather, and it has actions, such as if you want to make it uppercase, capitalize it, and so on and so forth. So it has both data items and actions. So usually you can visualize an object using what they call UML, Unified Modeling Language, which lists at the top what it is we're talking about, and inside of the box you can list the values and the actions. There are different ways to call values and I call them values and actions because I think that describes them well for beginners. You can call them instance variables, the values. You can call the actions methods, but we're not going to really focus on what to call them. We're going to focus more on how to use them. So in this case, the value would be hello world. And then if you were to you print it, it just goes, well, if you first you build the string, then you can print it, and then we can print an uppercase version of it. We can also find out how long the string is. We can reverse the order of it, create a new string, and then assign it to new stir, or we can print this new reversed version of it. Okay, so it's a step-by-step using the concept of sequence in order to modify that original string of hello world. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at exactly this situation. So once again, looking at step-by-step, obviously over here in the interactive window, you only see the lines that have a print. So first we see print mystr, then we see print mystr.upper, but that does not modify the original string. So we're printing an uppercase version of it. Going back to the original string, we're turning it into a list and assigning that to a list of chars. Then we run the dot reverse method to switch the order of them. Then we join that list together as a string, and we print that new. Well, in this case, we actually printed the reversed list of chars, and now finally I'm going to print the new string, which is hello world backwards.